Do you want to know how much money we made fixing cars and driveways last week? Let's go in the office and check the numbers. All right, we're in the office. Let's jump into TeKMetric and show you exactly what we did last week in total revenue. All right, this is TeKMetric. So right here at the top, we did 15 total ROs for last week. Kind of down on what it was. We actually had one big job last week and it took up one whole day. We had 22 hours presented and sold, but we did have a good average per RO, which was $3.59. Average profit margin was 55.96. Pretty good. I like to be between 50 and 60. So our total gross sales was $5,393.46. We had a total cost of $707 in labor for our technician, which is me. And then we had $1,443 in parts. That gives us a total net gross profit of $3,018. All right, so outside of that, what else does it cost us to run this company? Well, for me, it's quite a lot. It's $2,000 every single week that I have to pay out in order to run the company. That includes my wife now. She is part of the company as of this past week and a little bit of the week before. But she has a salary I have to pay, and the company has to pay the employment tax and everything else. So on top of her salary, which is for the week, and every other expense we have, so that's our truck payment, that's our software, that's our gas, liability insurance, everything you can think of, it's included in that. So it's about $2,000. So that leaves us with a net of about $1,000 for the week. That's actually really, really freaking good. As a margin breakdown and everything else, it's awesome. So if you want to know those margin numbers, stick around for next week because we will show you our end of month and what we did for the entire month, exactly what the revenue was, what the costs were, and what those profit margins were, and we will break it down line for line for you and give you exact numbers. So if you're out there and you're starting your mobile automotive journey and you need help taking it to the next level or just getting going and you need answers, leave those questions down in the comments. That's what we do here on YouTube and over on TikTok. We help people start their mobile automotive repair and take it to the next level. So you got those questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go follow us on our other channels. We really appreciate it. But until then, go out there and get it done and kill it. And don't forget to charge your worth.